Gameplay I won using Peter Griffin's hammer pump shotgun only, the mythic pump shotgun. So I eliminated Peter Griffin with weapons other than the mythic pump shotgun, and then I won the game only using the mythic pump shotgun from there. I hope you all do enjoy this video. Probably did. Oh, they're frying. Whoa, that health. Come here, Peter. Hey, Peter. Give me that. Give me that. All right. Top on the cure. All right, we're doing this again. Here we go. The mythic pump shotgun only though. Where's this guy at? I know he's in here somewhere. There you are. Where's that present at? There you are. What the heck? Come on, climb that. Do it. These guys in the shroud. Jeez. Pop one of these and we fight. That's my kill. Oh, you really did that. No car for you. This is my car now. That was my kill. That was my elimination. Just ran him over. I just watched it happen. These freaking berries are so good. Oh, here we go. Nice. Alright, let's have a really nice loader right now. Pop one of these. I don't want to hit him with a grappler. Wait, was it the same person? It is. Pop one of these and we fight. Oh, something got behind me though. Where'd he go? No. What's up with my kills getting taken right now? What's up with it? I missed my shot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Medallion. Let's go fight the medallion guy. Please come find me. Yes, yes, yes. Risky play, but we do it. We get it done. We get it done. We get it done. How do I take this fight? Let's go. Since I don't really have too much berries left, let's go over here. Do like a car swap fight. Nice. Thank you for that, you legend. Still someone else nearby. Where are they at? Medallion over here. Let's go kill them. Let's go eliminate them. One player with the medallions over here. Car, heard a car, heard a car. Someone's in a car. that was sick. Oh my god, that's scary. There's no fuel in that. Oh, you just blocked that shot. Barry? Look at that. Those Barry plays are nice, guys. They're nice plays. It's another medallion. I have 4 medallions! Come on, fight me. Only have a pump. I promise I'm at a disadvantage. Yeah, you're waiting the third party. Is that what you're doing, buddy? Alright, this AI is gonna get me killed. This AI just got me killed. I can't believe it. Oh my god, you freaking AI almost got me killed. An AI. Guys, I was an artificial intelligence that almost just got me killed. Jeez, man. Yeah, you want to come back when I'm weak. You want to fight right away, but you want to fight when I'm weak. Can't see him. You don't want to fight. Like, you didn't really want to fight when I was trying to fight him. But when I got shot in the back, so he started shooting me again. I mean, maybe it was just waiting for the card plays. That's what I was thinking. Oh, this is the AI from earlier. Bet I could freaking kill you. AI almost got me killed before. Alright. I barely hit that shot. Like or I didn't really hit him for much. What's this guy doing? He's sound okay, nice. They're not playing the island. I think he stopped. Yeah, he was barking, sir. Oh. Oh, right, buddy. Let's see how I'm gonna play this here. I need berries. Nice shots. Hello? Thank you, you legend. If I get headshot sniped again. Oh, there's a car that I can make plays off of. 85 damage. Nice! Alright, 5 medallions. Let's go! I just saw a bounty. I don't even know if there's any bounty boards around here. It's gonna be a video. Yeah, 100%. I gotta get us a dub here. I don't know where these guys are at. What if they both die in storm in like 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dead. Sometimes it happens with AI, I think. Oh wait, there's a car up here. Hold on, hold on. Anyone in it? Yeah, there is someone in it. Let's reload the gun. I'll only be able to hit him through the car if he goes up a hill like this. Did he just die? I think he's living off a health or shield, I mean. What the heck is going on here? I don't want to hit them with this thing. Oh my god, how many shockwaves do you have? Here we go with the building fights now. There we go, nice. Up one of these, why not? Last player. Let's get out of here. He's in a tree. He's in a tree. A second he grapples. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this. Oh, yeah, any better angles? There we go, bush over here. GG. GG.